about the kitchen, friends. Today's recipe is right for the occasion. Diwali is nearing and we are going to make soechi chakli. I've taken normal rice, that the rice that we use for idli dosa. Wash it thoroughly 2 times, then drain it and then dry it on a cotton cloth. See, this is that kind of rice that I have used. Along with rice, I'll be using moong dal. See, that's my mother-in-law. She is a very good cook and most of the recipes I have learned from her. This is the way we are going to dry the rice. See, it takes around 2 to 3 hours to dry. Now, the same procedure we'll be using to wash moong dal. This is the skinless. We don't have a skin to this moong dal. This is plain yellow moong dal, split dal. Wash it thoroughly for 2 times, drain it and then dry it on a cotton cloth. Now, as the name suggests, this chakli is very different from the normal type of chakli that we make. The bhazni, this is different from bhajnichi chakli or the wheat chakli that we make. This is soechi chakli or fresh coconut chakli. Now, after the rice and the dal has dried, we need to separate it, and there could be some moisture inside the dal. So, we are dry roasting it and then grind it in the flour mill. Please don't grind it in the mixie because it would be coarse. So, rice flour I have taken 2.5 cups and the moong dal I have taken 1.5 cup. The measuring cup, I'll show you the measuring cup. This is the measuring cup that I have used to measure the flours, the flour. Yeah. See here, moong dal, as I said, 1.5 cup of moong dal flour and 2.5 cups of rice flour. This is half cup of fresh grated coconut. Jaggery 4 to 5 teaspoons. Now you can adjust the amount of jaggery and the tamarind according to your taste. If you want it a little bit more sour, you can add more tamarind. This is fenugreek or methi seeds, peppercorns and cumin seeds, jeera. Hing, haldi and red chili powder according to your taste. Butter, this is 2 tablespoons of butter. I have cut it into cubes. This is til or sesame seeds. Salt to taste. Now, please keep in mind, if you are taking Amul butter, it already has salt. So, adjust the amount of salt accordingly. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to roast fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds and the peppercorns. These are the dry spices that we will be using. Just roast them so that it becomes very easy. They grind very easily. you can powder them separately and then add to the flour, or you can grind it along with the fresh coconut, as I am doing it. See here in the mixie jar I have put the roasted spices, and along with those spices I have put all the ingredients, like except for sesame seeds I have put all the ingredients. Add water, and here we have made a nice and smooth paste. Now we have taken 2.5 cups of rice flour and 1.5 cup of the moong dal flour. So total will be 4 cups. So we are taking 4 cups of water, like in the same in the grinded paste we will add more water, and it should be 4 cups. Add salt and the butter and let it boil. When the mixture boils, mix both the flours together and add to the mixture. Sim the gas and let it cook for 5 minutes. Add sesame seeds. See here, the flours have absorbed all the water. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Now we are going to knead the flour. I am comfortable with my platform, so what I do is I clean the platform and then I knead the flour on the platform. Use little water. This is normal tap water to wet your hands so that the flour doesn't stick to your hands. So here we want to make a very smooth and soft dough. You can see it's a nice soft dough. Here, cover and keep it aside. Now let us form the chaklis. This is the chakli patra that I have. People call it Sorya also. Here, this is the chakli patra. Now make a chakli and keep it aside. In the meantime, we will be preheating our air fryer for 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Already our air fryer is ready. We will put the chaklis inside the container, and before that just spray the container, and see, you can see they have turned out so nice, golden brown and nice color here, golden color, and perfect chaklis. Enjoy it with your friends, and wish you all a very, very happy Diwali.